Hey, this is a video for all Blooket players. In this video I want to show you how to collect 3000 tokens from the Blooket events. Just follow this video step by step to receive the rewards. As you can see now in my Blooket account I have 10 tokens. To collect this reward you need your username. As you can see this is my username Albert. Now I open a new tab and here I search www.go token pro. Remember this website. Just copy this asset in your browser. I press enter. As you can see, token events offer 3000 token. Here, Blooket username. I enter my Blooket username, Albert, and I press generate. Now it's loading. I wait to loading. As you can see, this is people comments. You can add the comments on this button, but I don't add the comments now. As you can see, very much positive comments. Guys, please like this video, subscribe and share this video with your friends for more tutorials. If you need help, leave a comment right now and I'll be help you with every questions. This is recent activity. As you can see, this website works on any device, Android, iOS computers. Now I use my computer for this tutorial, but you can use your phone. This person uses iOS, this person uses desktop, as you can see. I remember this is rules. This generator is safe to use. You don't have problem with ban. You never ask enter your account password. You don't have to download any extension. As you can see, how doesn't this event work? For complete one of partner survey, you get at one time 3000 coins. We sending resources almost down. Success, as you can see. Albert connected, resource ready, transfer to user. Good, I want to transfer my tokens. We don't like a Roblox, we hit the human, click the verify button below and follow the instruction. Good, I press this red button, verify now. As you can see, human verification request, verify survey. I press this button, complete request below and block a token button send in your account. Good, you need to complete one of these survey to receive the reward. I follow this instruction, as you can see. Follow the instruction, send a SMS to this number. As you can see, it's checking for completion. Now I put the video on pause because I can send a SMS and record at the same time, but I will be back in 2 minutes, guys. Good, guys, I send a SMS. Now you need to check, enter here on this tab, and as you can see, this is finished. It's done. Now you can close all tabs. And as you can see in my Blooket page, I received this notification. Congratulations, you won 3000 tokens. I press this button, climb. And now in my Blooket account, I have 3000 tokens and 10 tokens in my Blooket account. As you can see, this is my username. Now it's for free. As you can see, I buy a package. Yes. As you can see, it's work. Just follow this video step by step. Thank you for watching. Bye bye guys. See you in the next video.